a paragraph. When you finish, you may want to set your essay aside and come back to it later for a fresh look. Edit it carefully to check for errors in spelling, grammar, and sentence structure. You might also have some new thoughts about the subject. Finally, you may write the essay in final form in ink or typing. Not many people have the ability to sit down and do a good job of writing something in final form the first time. Here is what your letter to the editor might say. Editor, the homeless situation in the United States is appalling. One can hardly walk a block in the downtown area of most cities without passing someone begging for money or sleeping in a doorway. There was once a time when this was expected only a third world country. Now we take it for granted in our cities. We need to deal with this problem if we claim to be a great nation. The first thing we need to do is provide adequate shelters and institutions for the homeless. Even if we are too close to help our fellow humans, we cannot afford the public health risks of people living on street. However, I believe most people do care. They only need leadership that cares. The second thing we need to do is to find out what the homeless people's problems are. If they are substance abusers, they need to be treated. If they are simply down on their luck and out of a job, we need to support them in their effort to get a job. If they have mental or emotional problems, they need to be treated and perhaps put in an institution. If they are just lazy, we need to give them some tough love. Finally, we need to see that there are job opportunities for people who are willing and able to work. If they are not available in the private sector, we need to create jobs in public sector. We certainly have plenty of work that needs to be done in the public sector. Do I hear someone saying we can't afford it? Spare me the plea of poverty. Ours is the richest nation in the world. We have the resources needed. It is simply a matter of what is important to us. We should remember that many of us are only one paycheck away from homelessness. One of these days, the person with the plastic cup may be one of us. We cannot have people living on the street. We need to provide temporary shelter, ascertain their problems, and help them become productive citizens, which we can well afford. The first paragraph is the introduction. Just as the main idea of a paragraph is expressed in the topic sentence, the main idea of an essay is expressed in the first paragraph. State your position or subject that you will defend, explain, or present in a straightforward way. The body, consisting of perhaps 2 to 4 paragraphs, is the main part of the essay. If you are taking a position on some issue, you might devote a paragraph to each point supporting your position. To make your essay easier for the reader to follow, use signal words such as first, second, finally, therefore, and the like. Stick to the points you selected to make. Have a topic sentence expressing the main idea for each paragraph, and have sentences that support the paragraph's main idea. Don't be too wordy. Your essay will not be judged by the number of words you write. If it is too long, many people will avoid it. The final paragraph is the conclusion. Its purpose is to sum up your essay and make a good closing statement. Avoid bringing up any new points that you haven't discussed. Good luck.